Hello, this is a special video invitation prepared especially for you. You are cordially invited to participate with a select group in District Strategic Professional Development. Our goal is to create a student path to recover and develop analytical thinking skills lost during the COVID pandemic. Research has shown that students have lost significant cognitive abilities while staying home and disengaged from learning during the pandemic. Test scores and teacher observations support and suggest students are struggling post-pandemic with grade-level material due to decreased abilities. Experienced educators know that academic standards were relaxed during the pandemic and that educational cost is currently evident in the classroom. Our primary focus for the next 3 days is to learn how we can help our students reclaim what they have lost and prepare them for postgraduate success. During these 3 days, we will review data and current processes while we brainstorm stimulating student development that won't overload an educator. We will develop an implementation and tracking procedure, role play our prototype concept, refine, then bring it to our individual departments for teacher training, buy-in, and successful deployment. I ask you to clear your calendar, buckle up, and join other select educational leaders meeting at the District Learning Center on Cherrybrook Street from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., October 12th through the 14th, 2022. All you need to bring is a laptop. Everything else, including continental breakfast, coffee, lunches, and snacks, is provided daily. So let's dig in and make educational history while we make this the best academic year possible for our school, students, and community.